agenda, a plan for a meeting, a checklist of what needs to be done or discussed. Synonyms, schedule, docket. Use it like this. Let's review the agenda before we begin the meeting. Blight. As a noun, it's a disease that damages or destroys. As a verb, it means to ruin or harm something. Synonyms, eyesore, spoil. Antonyms, foster, nourish. Example, the drought blighted the crops for the entire season. Boisterous, full of noisy energy in a cheerful or rowdy way. Synonyms, loud, unruly, disorderly. Antonyms, calm, peaceful. Example, the boisterous crowd cheered loudly at the concert. Compliant, willing to obey or follow rules or directions. Synonyms, meek, submissive. Antonyms, rebellious, disobedient. Example, the dog was surprisingly compliant during training. Debut, a first appearance or performance. Synonym, coming out. Antonym, retirement. Use it in a sentence. The actor made her debut in a major film last year. Gross, obvious, rude, or total. As a noun, the full amount before deductions. As a verb, to earn. Synonyms, sheer, utter. Antonyms, delicate, net. Example, the movie grossed over $100 million worldwide. Maze, a confusing network of paths or a complex situation. Synonyms, labyrinth, tangle, puzzle. Example, I got lost in the maze of streets in the old city. Partisan, someone who strongly supports a person or cause, often without considering other views. Synonyms, fan, booster. Antonyms, critic, neutral. Example, the debate turned heated due to partisan opinions. Reimburse, to pay someone back for expenses. Synonyms, refund, compensate. Example, the company will reimburse travel costs after the trip. Vacate, to leave a place empty, to move out or cancel something. Synonyms, depart, abandon. Antonyms, occupy, keep. Example, they were asked to vacate the apartment by the end of the week.